Okay, ebusuafo wɔ from a park to the rich. Now today yeah Nkrumah Memorial Park or one crane. And make sure that you're Ghana December baby damada. You are missing something. You see, I came here on a tour and I think it's very impressive. Actually, the way I will maintain a place in a it's a very beautiful place. I would encourage everybody don't bra around my bato na eshe. Kwame Nkrumah ni mood to be no woman who then na papa no ye legend or ye great man. Hey, any mood be on the way July. Yes, Nkrumah July. Hey, any mood. There's another mood be so I would there. Or observing Yama Ghana for ye CC Adada. Complain I may actual no Ghana fun. Hey, you see ye. I then never kakra. Or should the way ni vision wasn't true ni form na. Why you too excited? When mama chana. And then you saw yeah that a wajini suit. No. The owner, Krona Ankasa, Zoch to when you come here to Popular Throw, Mama Mason is Ruby, and see, this is called the Freedom Wall, or Dr. Nkrumah Memorial Park. Let me still take you around the place, and I'm sure they be feel now.
Yeah, the last place. Please, this is the Freedom Wall. The colors red, yellow, green, and black are the colors of our Ghana flag. The red stands for the blood our forefathers shed for our independence. The yellow stands for the minerals of Ghana. The green stands for our vegetation, and the black star stands for the hope of Africa. We see Asajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah in different facial expressions, just telling us he was as human as we are, and he had ups and downs. There were times in his life he got excited, he got sad and angry as well. And then this was his most famous quote, which says, "I am not African because I was born in Africa, but because Africa was born in me." It means he wasn't only seen as an African when he was found within the boundaries of Africa, but outside of it as well. So wherever he went to in the world, whether in Africa or in Asia or in Europe, Asajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was always an African. This is the end of our tour. Nice having you around. Thank you so much.
Na still me one Nkrumah Memorial Park. I say, I have very nice. Nti awa Ghana. Hey, me target here Ghana funti na American fans kasan. Na se mba mboshe ha in what is going on there. It has a lot of history. It's a ome there now. You need to be proud as a Ghanaian. Hey, Nkrumah Ghana football opina where na wobubu ne statue, wobu ni tifidon. Ono no see. Na Abade so it's in Ankasan. According to Lady Vibe or the man day, it's in a womb. It's Mammy B. Let's in the kids and chan. Not the bay. And see. Doctor needs in you. Na I can see you. You'll see him. Mokum. Na ye view more things and as it. You're beautiful people. Still, yeah, war or yeah in Nkrumah Memorial Park, and you can see the beautiful place with a lot of histories in Azan. I'm encouraging you to visit this place, get to know more about the history of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, so that you can admire whoever fought for the independence of this country. You admire them because Niger number and all other people that were part of Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I say, remember told me they could go into Akeda was Babaha. Exactly, Now our Accra, you do Accra, a bisado in Nkrumah Memorial Park, where hina have fair bra. Eba, a butchaka come with this is ya now call. Exactly, you understand. Into me war reception and I share. Nkrumah Cadillac in also. I see. And I press it over. The chilling level was so. When you taste our class, it's in the Cadillac and still the body near fresh. Ghana coat of farms so no boy cheap. So there's the reception at Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Hi, nice.